All right, the last bin is secured.
Copy that. Moving out now.
All right, keep it coming straight back. Watch your left side.
All parameters are within specification.
Good. Let's initiate the next phase of processing.
Pasteurization. The watermelon juice is pumped into a pasteurization system. Heat exchangers raise the temperature rapidly. After heating, the watermelon juice enters a cooling section. Cold water systems reduce the temperature quickly. The liquid passes through advanced cooling equipment. Sugar content is 12.5%.
And the aroma is excellent. We are good to approve this batch.
Thousands of empty bottles arrive on conveyors. The containers move through an automated cleaning station.
Automated machines place caps onto each container. Rotating heads tighten the caps securely. Sensors verify proper sealing on every bottle. The efficiency rating is holding steady at 98%.
Excellent. The new calibration worked perfectly.
Look at the throughput on that line. Flawless alignment every time.
Vibration levels look good on the motor. Okay, I'm logging that now. We can move to the next section.
The seal is secure and the label is centered. It passes inspection. Noted. Moving to the next carton. The loaded trucks exit the factory gates. Long lines of vehicles head toward distribution centers.
Clear this pallet for shipment to Sector 4.
Copy that, moving it now.
Retail delivery trucks leave the warehouse. The products travel through busy city streets. Drivers deliver shipments to different locations.
Look, only 5 ingredients. And the sugar is low. We should get this one.